Hi, in front of me is TCL 10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type Magic Fluid and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. Click I accept, and here you can customize your live wallpaper however you want. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Now set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!